Hi, I'm Lindsay Pollock, career expert and host of LinkedIn's Job Search Fundamentals webinars. Today, I'm going to share some tips about how to build a strong LinkedIn profile when you're looking for a new job. When it comes to optimizing your profile for job search success, the most important theme is keywords. As you can see from this quote from recruiter Cindy Klein from Rackspace, keywords are the key to how recruiters search for talent like you. She says, make sure you incorporate a lot of keywords for the kind of job you're looking for. As a recruiter, I run searches through LinkedIn and I look for the key requirements of each available job. I look for very specific skills, so have these in your profile. Please remember that the importance of keywords does not mean that your goal is to game the system with keyword stuffing or putting down skills you don't have. Above all, your profile needs to be accurate and readable by humans and not just a machine or search engine algorithm. That said, appropriate and authentic keywords are essential. The best place to find the keywords that an employer might be searching for to find someone like you is to look at the job postings for the types of positions you want. Then, as you can see in this example, look for words that come up frequently in the job description. In this case, for a senior product manager, you'll notice keywords like product manager, the job title itself is always a crucial keyword, engineering, and cloud. These words come up frequently, so if I were looking for a job like this one, I would be sure to incorporate those words throughout my profile if they applied to my skills and experience. One of the most important places to incorporate keywords is in your profile headline. Here you can see the profile of Shaker Parikh, who was recently in the market for a product manager position similar to the job posting I just shared. As you can see, he includes the words product manager and engineer directly in his profile headline, just as we saw in that job description. He also has several other keywords to describe his experience, qualifications, and areas of expertise. I like this approach to the profile headline of using slash marks or vertical lines. Your headline does not have to be a job title or even a complete phrase. What's most important is conveying the key information a recruiter wants to know about you. If you're job searching openly, you might also consider mentioning your job search directly in your headline, as in this alternate example. Technical product manager with 10 plus years experience seeking new opportunity. Returning to Shaker's profile, your summary statement is the area of your profile where you have the opportunity to tell your professional story. It's like a professional bio and cover letter combined. Again, keywords are crucial. You can see here several of the keywords we saw on the technical product manager job description: product manager, engineering, and cloud. One smart strategy is to break your summary up into a highlight section of bullet points at the top and then an area that highlights your top skills, listed here by Shaker as core competencies. This is a great way to include a lot of information and a lot of keywords without overwhelming the reader. If you're a career changer or you've been out of the workforce for a long period of time, you can also explain your situation in a brief sentence or two at the beginning of your summary statement. Just keep your explanation concise and positive. Then focus on explaining your transferable skills, the skills you have that can apply to multiple industries or roles. As much as possible, you'll of course want to mention skills that you know are important in the industry you're changing into, as you can see in this example. After a 15-year career as a technology consultant, I'm excited to apply my skills to the role of product manager in a technology company. My skills include complex analysis, mapping business processes, project management, and leading cross-functional teams. I'm passionate about developments in cloud computing, and I'm currently enrolled in a 1-year course on cloud computing product management. If you're not sure what transferable skills are desired in your new industry, again, look at LinkedIn job postings for guidance. Now let's return to Shaker's profile. The experience section is another important element for job seekers. Recruiters want to know what you've done, where you've done it, and how you performed, and they want to see those keywords again. So first, be sure that the facts of your experience match exactly between your resume and your LinkedIn profile. Dates of employment, employer names, and titles must be consistent. Of course, the huge advantage of a LinkedIn profile is that you can go into much more detail about what you've accomplished than you can on a resume. And of course, you can include more vital keywords. LinkedIn has also recently added the ability to add visual examples to your profile as well. As you can see at the bottom of the page, as part of Shaker's product manager position at Info Group, you should also collect recommendations for each position you've held. This is a way for other people to vouch for your excellent work. Recruiters tell me that they're most swayed by recommendations from people who have actually managed you, bosses or supervisors. Colleagues and clients are nice to have, but not as impactful for job seekers. The next crucial area of a job seeker's LinkedIn profile is skills and expertise. Your list of skills, which includes the ability for people in your network to endorse these skills, helps people who view your profile, including recruiters and hiring managers, to quickly get a sense of your top talents. Endorsements also allow you to assess yourself. Are people endorsing you for what you believe are your top skills? If not, you may need to rethink your top talents or how you're presenting them to the people you know. Ideally, the top keywords throughout your profile should be reflected in the top skills the people in your network are endorsing you for. That's a quick way for a recruiter to verify your professional reputation. Beyond the basics of your profile, be sure to take advantage of optional sections you can add to your profile to help you stand out from the crowd. You can add these in the Edit Profile view as you see on your screen. Remember only to add sections that you feel will enhance your profile. For instance, if you've been unemployed for a long period of time, but you've taken on several freelance projects, you might want to add the project section to show some of the work you've produced. If you're a student with little work experience, you can add the courses section to list some of the classes you've completed that have built your professional skills related to the kinds of jobs you want. Another important section that can help optimize your profile is the optional volunteer experience and causes section. If you're unemployed but actively volunteering, this can be a great way to show that you've kept your skills fresh and that you're actively contributing your skills and talents even if you're not getting paid. Continuing with our technical product manager example, you might also impress an employer by showing that you're keeping up to date in your field and also, of course, doing good by volunteering, in this case, as a math and science tutor. Once you've made all of these enhancements, how can you test how strong your profile is? Do a search on some of the keywords you've tried to highlight on your profile and see how easy or difficult it is to find you. Search on those keywords plus your geographic area and perhaps past employers to do a realistic recruiter search. If your profile does not appear in the first few pages, it might be a sign that you need to optimize your profile even further. Remember again, however, that authenticity is always more important than findability. Never focus on keyword stuffing or putting down skills you don't have. Ultimately, again, your profile will be read and assessed by a real live human being. That brings us to the end of our tips about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile as a job seeker. Now I invite you to log into LinkedIn and start updating and improving your profile today. Good luck, and thanks for watching.